Distinguished owners of the BMW iM, stop hiding. You can't avoid the big data, or you wouldn't be watching this. There is a new version of your favorite BMW M4, and it's not costly, just have you must pay. The king of BMW 8 S58 3.0 turbo, line 6 cylinders, a turbocharged engine. Its 0 to 100 km/h time is not slow, namely 3.56. It's a BMW since you felt bored about its strong power and volume. Its happiness totally different from the feeling of the quiet acceleration of the new energy vehicle. This S58 engine is upgraded by increasing 20 horsepower. Its maximum top speed is increased by 200 rpm, so its middle and back parts are stronger. During a racing, it may exceed 250 km/h quite easily. I've proved it myself. Your favorite enjoys turning 2 small L-shaped enjoys. They seem to be more delicate to me, but I love its new tail light the most. It's like time channel. It shows the other far away that you have a new M4. The second favorite is M4's 2 hardware. One is a carbon roof designed for energy conversion. It's light and competitive. I also suggest you to pay 35,000 yuan on its racing bucket seat. It's cozy to sit on it. What is that carbon fiber area? A parking apron. My most favorite is configuration, the brake system. Thermal stability couldn't be more dramatic. We reached 250 km/h within a minute on the track, and then slowed down to 40 at the bend. We did so more than a dozen times in 40 degrees in Shanghai, but the brake system showed no sign of thermal decay. The guys from the BMW told me that I could hotshot it as I wanted, except for the brake system, because it's definitely capable. Some asked me should I buy a 2WD or 4WD. The 4WD, of course. It has a larger horsepower and can change to 2WD. Besides, you're not short of 50,000, right? If I give you 19,000, will you buy this Mercy M4 beside me, or an Audi RS5, or Benz C63 AMG?